Okay, welcome back, guys, to the channel. Different video, same day. Okay, this fender, I believe the outer isn't really bent that much, but that inner is bent. The inner structure is bent, I do believe. Let's show you what I'm talking about here. See here, this is separating right here, and right here is already pulled out. It's already pulled out. So I believe this metal structure, all of this metal structure here is bent. You can see these bent right there, maybe a little right here, right here. So I think this thing is damaged more than it looks. So I think I'm not gonna fool with it anymore, guys. Honestly, I try to put it on, straighten it some. Usually if you straighten it enough, oh Lord, usually if you straighten it enough, you can get it on there pretty good. I ain't straightened that crazy straighten, but it's straightened enough to go on here. So yeah. Straighten enough. So try to put it back on here, and it goes on the same way, crooked, overlapping. Okay, so let me show you guys how that looks when I try to put this thing on. Is that a good shot? Let's see. I think it is. Okay. Lord, how you doing? It's warped. Inner structure is warped. Make it hard to get this fender on. Shouldn't be this hard to put a fender on. It isn't this hard, so that tells you right there. See, when you put it on loosely, still got that, still got the gap. So this fender is messed up more than you can see. It actually messed up pretty bad. So yeah, guess we'll be getting 2 new fenders. See, lined up with the holes. Lined up good enough, but look back here. This fender is twisted. It's twisted. It's twisted. So LKQ got a few fenders. Just have to get them painted though. It's a problem. Have to get them painted. Oh, I already got enough money in this damn truck. Already got enough money in it. Plus, I got to get the transmission fixed. So, I don't know. We can wait and try to find one. Cause these colors, this color is pretty regular. You see these on a lot of Escalades. So I'm pretty sure I can find this fender. Only problem is you go to a regular junkyard, you're paying like $300 for this thing. 200, 250, 300 for it. LKQ, I think they're like $80 maybe. Maybe $80. Oh Lord. Oh yeah. Maybe $80 from LKQ. But maybe $80 from LKQ. So I think, sure, well, even if I pay, that's $700 for two fenders if we pay $350 for them, so that's $700 if we can find the same color. But you see that? Look at that. See how that bowled out? Yeah, these fenders are messed up from the inside. They're messed up from the inside. See, I got this bumper back here. This bumper cover. It's about the same color. So I'm telling you, this color is pretty regular. It's pretty regular. And that's the one we got. But hell, we're gonna have to fix that one too because it got a little crack on it at the end. Right there. So yeah, we are going to have to buy fenders for this. So that's what we're looking at. Did my best with it. So, but we're gonna have to buy. We're gonna have to buy two new fenders. That's what we're gonna have to do. So that's what we're gonna have to do. Yeah. If we get it from LKQ, then it'll be a lot cheaper. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, it's just it's the fender. They just twisted. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. We'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Bad news. Peace.